G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here, and in this video we are going to go through the process on how to buy Loopcoin via MoonPay. So you can see that I am on the MoonPay website, moonpay.com, and I've got a nice big purple button in the middle of the screen. Buy crypto, let's click on buy crypto because the first thing we need to do is purchase some Solana, and we need to send that to our Solana wallet, and in my case it is the Phantom wallet. So you can see nice easy user interface here. I want to, and I'm using Australian dollars here, but you can select your own currency. And I am going to select $50 and I want to buy Solana. So you can see I've got a list of crypto here and I'm going to select Solana. You can see that I'm going to get 0.43 Sol for 50 Australian dollars. So we're going to click continue. And we'll be taken to the next screen where I need to enter in my Sol wallet address. Now, in my case, Phantom, you can see the Phantom icon in the browser. I'm going to click my Phantom wallet. Now, if you haven't got a Phantom wallet set up yet, then I do have a video that I will link to in the description to walk you through the process of setting up a Phantom wallet. I need to grab the public wallet address. So there's two ways I can do that. I can click the title up here. That's now copied the address. Or I can select the token, select deposit, and then copy the address there as well. And then that is the address that I will paste into this Sol wallet address. I'm going to now click continue, and then we'll be paying with a debit card here. So I have already gone through this process. You will be asked for your verification code on your card as well, and then you can go through that process. You can see here it's paying with this particular card, delivering to that wallet address. I've got my summary, and then I can authorize MoonPay, and I will click buy now. That'll be processing, and then I will be taken to the next screen. So this screen here is another verification process. I'm going to be sent a text message now. So we will enter that code in. And submit that, and that will now authorize this payment to proceed. You can see now that this is processing, so we'll wait for that to process. That will then deliver to my Solana wallet. Okay, so after a couple of minutes, that transaction is now complete. And if I go up to my Phantom wallet now, I can see that I now have that Solana sitting in my Phantom wallet. Now, the next step for us to do to buy Loop is to convert or swap this Solana into S-Rally. Now, we can do that by visiting this exchange, and the exchange address is exchange.socialconnector.io/swap. Now, the first thing we need to do is connect our wallet. So there's a button in the top right hand corner. We click connect wallet, and in my case, I'm going to select Phantom. So our wallet is now all connected. We then need to go to S-Rally swap. So when I click S-Rally swap, we need to select the base coin, which is Solana, and I want to swap that into S-Rally. And we can see here that I've got a balance of 1.12430.695 Solana. Now, I always recommend, and it's a good idea, just to keep a little bit of Solana in your wallet just for any gas fees or network fees and things like that. So I am going to say I want to swap 1 Sol, and that is going to give me 636.5 S-Rally. So I'm now going to click swap. That's going to then process. I need to approve this transaction through the Phantom wallet. So I'm going to approve that transaction. That will then execute that transaction, and you can see there that it has successfully executed. So now we have converted and executed that swap from Sol to S-Rally. We now need to go through the process of converting S-Rally into Gary. So if we now go back and click on swap, we can now select the base coin of Rally, and we want to choose Gary as the coin we want to swap into. So you can see here I've got my balance of S Rally. I'm going to choose maximum because I'm going to swap everything I've got in S Rally into Gary. You can see that it gives me an estimate. I've got will be purchasing or swapping into 162.659 Gary. So let's go ahead and make that swap. I'm going to need to approve that transaction in my wallet again. So here we can see Gary, this is how much I'm going to get. This is how much S Rally I'm going to be using, and here's the network fee here. So that's why it's a good idea just to have a little bit of SOL in your wallet for these network fees. So let's click approve. That will then execute that transaction of converting or swapping S Rally into Gary. Okay, so that swap has successfully executed now. Now the last step in the process is to convert or swap Gary into Loop. So I'm just going to refresh this page for us. And then the base coin we are going to choose, or where we're coming from, is going to be Gary. So let's select Gary, and the destination and the 4 is going to be Loop. And you can see that I've got a balance of 162.659 Gary. I'm going to choose max, and then it will give me 151.05645 Loop. So let's go ahead now and swap that. And last time, we just need to approve that transaction in the Phantom wallet, and then that will execute that transaction for us and convert that Gary into Loop coin. Okay, so that swap has now successfully executed, and we can go ahead and check that now by clicking on the Phantom wallet, and we can see that we now have extra Loop coin in our wallet. So there we have it. Purchasing Loop via MoonPay is a nice, simple process. So hopefully that brings you some value, gives you a nice, easy option to be able to purchase Loop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.